large Diet Coke. Are you gonna eat my steering wheel? And I think that'll be so cute with some little Converse. And I saw this and fell in love. Are you glad to be home?
How could I resist your smile? Can we move on as before? I could wait for 1,000 years. But
Morning.
Absolutely flawless in every way.
Good morning. Look at your bedhead, crazy boy.
It's the day I'm having right now. I pinch my
Oliver said good morning. I wanted to take y'all with us on a little day in the life today because normally Ollie and I do our little day in the lives during the week, but this is the weekend and we have Will home. So he's making us some breakfast on the Blackstone. I'll show you all that in just a second. And after we eat breakfast, Ollie and I are gonna go run some errands. I have to do some returns. And then I've been seeing everybody on Instagram talk about how all the stores have their fall decor out. So we're gonna go see if we can find some fall decor. I know it's July, but I always end up waiting till the last minute and I don't get anything good. So this year we're doing it early. We're gonna go see what the stores have. We have a really awesome case of bedhead going on. And other than shopping, I'm gonna show y'all what we're making for dinner tonight. It's really good. So I'm just gonna take y'all along with our day. I may do a haul if I end up finding some good stuff. So let's get this day started. You wanna go make some pancakes?
I was looking to get wet.
Say yay, pancakes! Yay! Good morning, Opie. Hi, puppy. Do you want to go see Dada outside? Let's go, come on. Who is that? Is it ready in the nose, you think?
I don't know, that's why I was waiting. The edge can be real soft.
I think it's good. Ah, perfect.
Look, there's an Oliver pancake.
It already has butter. This is the best syrup ever because you can heat it up in the plastic container and you don't have to dirty another dish. We got bottles. What are we missing, Oliver? Are we missing anything? We got Passy. We just need toys and I think they're all over Mommy's car. Want the plant? Good job. So handsome. So handsome. Alright, let's get your Passy on. Oh, thank you.
got a dopamine rush, got a major league
But,
crush when you're next to me.
Alright, you tore stuff up. Let's go. Ready?
Hide the way I feel when you're next to me, girl.
Yay! Hi, can I just get a large Diet Coke? Yeah, that's it. Thank you. That's good. We went over to McDonald's real quick to get a Diet Coke because I was so thirsty. And now we're over here at Home Goods and we just ran in and they don't have any fall decor out. I'm so sad. I should have known better because this one over here in West Little Rock always puts out their decor later than all of the other ones. Should have went to Bryant or somewhere else, but anyways, we're already over here on this side of town, so I'm gonna go check a few other places. I'm gonna check At Home and maybe Kirkland's, but it is getting close to Mr. Oliver's nap time, so I'm gonna try to make this quick, see if I can find some fall decor. We did go to Target before I went to McDonald's to do a return, and I found some cute little fall outfits for Oliver. So I will share those with y'all when we get home, but we are gonna head over to At Home. I'm gonna let Oliver cool off here in the front seat. Are you gonna eat my steering wheel? He is teething on everything. He's eating everything inside. But anyways, I'm gonna cool off in the front seat real quick, put him back in his car seat, and then drive over to At Home. Now I'm at Home and Oliver's taking a nap, so I'm just waiting for him to wake up before we go in. But I'm hoping that they are stocked with fall decor. I really want to get a head start on collecting stuff this year so I'm not like fighting the crowds to find what I need this year. I did pick up, I'll show you what I picked up from Target. As soon as I went in, I saw these in the Target dollar spot and they're little hanging baskets. And I have been wanting some of these so bad. I saw something on Pinterest that I loved and I was gonna order some on Amazon, but I'm glad I didn't because I just ran into these for $5, 2 for $5. And I think those would be so cute on our kitchen wall next to our hutch with some fall florals hanging out. So excited about that. And then I also picked up Oliver 2 little fall outfits. This one is a little tank top number, and I love their little ribbed outfits because they're super cozy, but it's long pants and tank top, so it's early fall. But I think that'll be so cute with some little Birkenstocks. And then I also got this one, and this one screams fall. I love this. It's a little maroon long sleeve, long pant romper, and I think that'll be so cute with some little Converse. So excited about those, but that's all we found so far as fall stuff. But I'm gonna run in At Home here in a second. Hopefully we'll find some more stuff for fall. I'm not gonna go to Hobby Lobby or Michael's today, even though I know that they have their fall stuff out, because I wanna get their stuff half off, and I don't think they've put it half off yet. Uh-oh, did you wake up? Okay, we're gonna go in At Home real quick, but hopefully we'll find some stuff. We can do a haul, and then I'm gonna run home and cook dinner. Okay. Are you glad to be home? Okay, Oliver, are you gonna help me do my haul? Okay, so At Home had hardly any fall decor out. They had like Halloween stuff. They had a few pumpkins and witches and stuff, but that's not really what I was looking for. I was looking for more like glam fall pumpkin stuff. So I did go ahead and start my fall collection, but it's not specific to fall, which is also good because, as you'll know, at the beginning of the year, if you've been following me for a while, I've been trying to buy more decorations that are more versatile and can last all year round rather than just for one season. So that's a lot of what this is. In the fall time, I absolutely love copper, and so I got lots of copper stuff. Well, I won't say lots, but I got some copper stuff. I got some, I don't know if I bought that copper canister or not now that I think about it. But I like lots of copper stuff in the fall. I also love the amber glass and lots of just like oranges and woods and metals. What's that stuff called? The metallic glass. What's that metallic glass called, Will? It's got like, it looks kind of broken. I can't think of the name of it. But anyways, I have a lot of it in my living room. So, lots of stuff that is versatile but also really fall. So the first thing I found was this tray. And it's like this beat up metal tray with some cream and like rust texture with rope handles. And I already have one of these in my kitchen, but it's wood. It's kind of the same concept though. And I want one for my kitchen table and then one for the corner in my kitchen with the lamp. So I got another one and I thought this one was really fun for fall. So I picked that up. And then I found this little canvas, and when I got home I was like, that looks kind of, I don't know. But Simply Blessed is what it says, and it's like a gold sparkle. And I thought that would go really pretty with the glam stuff in our living room. Don't know where I'm going to put it yet, but I thought it was really pretty. And then me to give you some to crunch up? Look. You want to taste it up? Crunchy, crunchy, crunchy. Nope. Okay. Come here. I also picked up this little mirror tray, and it's got a gold trim on it, and I thought that was really pretty, and it was only $9, and I was like, that's a steal. That's like a really expensive looking tray, so I'm going to put that on top of our piano with maybe a candle or something on top. What? He does not like the sound of this paper for some reason. He doesn't like it when it crackles. What? Hey, Will. Can you get him real quick? Go see Dada for just a minute.
Hey, bubbies.
Okay, I'm starving and I need to start dinner, but the rest of the stuff I got, oh, I forgot I got these. I got these really pretty bowls that are white and gray, but then they have this like rust colored rim on the top, and I thought those would be so pretty to display in our hutch, but also use throughout the fall for like soup and stuff. So I got 4 of those. I was looking for the matching plates, but I could not find those. So I got 4 of those. I'll put the other 2 right here. I'm not gonna wrap them, but that's what they look like. Super excited about those. And then I picked up, let's see, what's the next thing? Oh, I love this. So this is like that amber glass color. It's a little vase, and it's got little feet on it. And I thought that would be so cute to stick a floral arrangement in with some like fall leaves flowing out of it, maybe on top of the piano or on the hutch or somewhere in the kitchen. So I'm excited to use that. It's got like the bubbles in it. I love glass that's like that and it looks shattered. Cannot think of the name of it right now, but I'll probably think of it before I'm done here. I cannot think of it for the life of me. But anyways, I also picked up this paper towel holder. We have had that little white marble one in our kitchen for the longest time, and it actually kind of clashes with our countertop. So I thought this one would be really fun for fall, and it's also really cute. It's like a tree stump, and then the top has this little ball that you twist off. Thought that was super fun for fall and would give us like some texture in the kitchen for fall time. Everything that I've named so far is from At Home, by the way. And I saw this and fell in love. This is not the copper canister that I was talking about. I think I left that one because it didn't come with a set and I wanted it to be a set. But this copper little vase is beautiful. I think it's actually a candle holder. I don't know what I'm going to use it for yet, but it's got the copper around the rim right here, and then it's got copper on the bottom. And then this glass, somebody is going to tell me in the comments what it's called. For some reason, it's not metallic glass, but it's something. It's shattered glass, and it looks so pretty. We have a lot of it in our living room, and I feel like this will go really pretty with our fall decor. Put maybe a floral arrangement in it, or just a really pretty smelling fall candle. And by the way, I'm so excited to go to Bath & Body Works and stock up on candles because, as y'all know, I was trying so hard to use up all of our candles before I went and got more, and I finally used up every single candle in the house, so it is time to go shopping for candles at Bath & Body Works. I think I showed y'all these in the car earlier, but I picked up these little baskets from Target, Dollar Spot, and they hang, and I'm thinking about hanging them one right on top of the other in our kitchen by our hutch and putting some really pretty fall leaves flowing out of them for the fall time. And then I showed y'all Oliver's little clothes already. So that's pretty much all I picked up. But as you can see, I went for like a woods and metallic, and I don't really know what to call this style, but I wanted it to be really glam, but also really cozy and warm for fall. So we've got to start to our fall collection. Y'all know I bought a million pumpkins last year, so we have plenty of pumpkins, but I'll keep going back and looking for more fall decor when it does come out into stores where I am. I know it's already out in some places. And maybe in my next day in the life, I will give y'all a better haul for fall decor. I'm trying to do a day in the life every other Thursday, so y'all hold me accountable and help me do that because I will put it off and not do it unless I tell y'all that and put it out in the universe. That way I have to do it. So anyways, that's pretty much what I did. I'm going to go show y'all what we're making for dinner now. Okay, so this is what's for dinner. We did Hawaiian sweet rolls with the really thinly sliced roast beef from the Walmart deli. But before I put on the roast beef, I put one layer of provolone on the bottom. Then I put a thick layer of the thinly sliced roast beef. And then I did a layer of those crispy onions that I showed you, the French fried onions. And then another layer of provolone. And then I put the buns on top. And for the buns on top, I coated them in a seasoning with a stick of melted butter, a tablespoon of the au jus seasoning from Walmart in the paper packet, and then also some garlic salt and onion powder. And this is delicious. I'm about to throw it in the oven at 350 for about 15 minutes. Okay, the roast beef sandwiches just came out of the oven and they look so delicious. Look at that melty cheese. Cannot wait to eat that. And then we have some elbow noodles here that are done. I just have to add the cheese sauce. And I make a homemade mac and cheese sauce, and I will list what I use down in the description box below. It's not really anything fancy, but it makes your mac and cheese so good and thick and creamy. And then I just have some au jus back there to dip our sandwiches in, so I am so excited. Okay, that is it for today's video. This is so delicious. Make sure to check the description box for the recipe below, and we'll see you on Sunday. Bye.